There was a time that I woke up every morning before sun, rushing out the door and pouring my whole heart into a job that I loved, but missing the people that I loved more. I remember sitting at school and realizing that I had missed a whole year of memories with my grandkids that I could never get back. Their games, their family times. And after losing my son, every moment missed felt so much heavier. And I kept thinking, is this really how life is supposed to be? The shift came the day that Harold looked at me and said, honey, please do not re-sign your contract. I just want my life back. It was the first time that I felt like that life was really going to be able to change. Maybe there was something else that was possible. Maybe God was nudging me into something new. And friends, that's whenever I started digital marketing. I knew I wanted something different. And that's whenever I came home and I learned a new skill. I learned that there was something different out there. I learned that I wanted to work remotely from anywhere. I learned that I could help other people do the same thing. But more importantly, I didn't have to miss those special moments again due to a job. So piece by piece, I started building a business that didn't require me to sacrifice my time away from the people that I love. So if you're sitting in the same place, my friend, and you're tired and you're stretched so thin and you're missing those moments that really truly matter, I want to show you the path that set me free. So comment details below and I'll send you over the same details that changed everything for me.